Hercules Industries has become one of the largest companies of its type in the western and midwestern United States, using a high-speed manufacturing process.
We're a brand that can be trusted for the very simple reason why the quality that we put into our product. Absolutely, quantity is important, but quality is at the foremost. And we reach that goal again by training to stay up to date on what's going on in the industry. And again, just never relaxing on new ways to improve. Absolutely, we can be trusted for those reasons. It's a family-based company with over 50 plus years of values.
Hercules is one of the country's largest manufacturers of round and rectangular sheet metal duct and fittings. Hercules uses state-of-the-art automatic machinery and computerized fabrication equipment to turn out a quality product every time while using the best galvanized coated materials from steel mills across the United States.
With Hercules Industries Manufacturing, we wanted to diversify a little bit more, so we started Mighty Tough. And what that is sealants and adhesives. Has nothing to do with steel or fabrication, but it's literally us manufacturing adhesives and sealants for the HVAC industry.